Hello, I'm John McNicoll, and I'm here today at Acclaimed with Kevin and Tami Lackey. They're owner-operators of Acclaimed. And I wanted to ask them a question today. What problems does your company solve when you're helping people out?
That's a great question. We try to solve all of the problems involving home comfort and efficiency for furnaces, air conditioning, the air quality in your house. And so whatever that is in terms of cleaning the ducts, to servicing and fixing equipment, to installing new efficient equipment to replace that old less efficient equipment, those are the types of problems that we solve every day.
Wow, interesting. There's been a lot of progress since, maybe over the past couple of decades in terms of what the equipment can do.
Oh, absolutely huge. Just night and day. It's not uncommon for people to double the efficiency of their equipment when they change that out.
Well, that creates savings. And then health is what you're speaking of in air quality? Is that what that addresses?
Yeah, that's correct. The air quality is being able to clean that air out using your furnace fan and circulate that all through that furnace and clean the air, sterilize the air. There's equipment that does that these days for low cost that works extremely well.
That's amazing. Yeah. Very helpful.
What do you think? Is that a good synopsis?
Yeah, that's a very good synopsis of it.
Well, congratulations on all your success and happy birthday on 23 years.
Thanks, John.
Thanks,
Thank
John.
you very much.